Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Arin. Today we will solve IMO question paper 2024-25 set A for class 4. The first section is logical reasoning. Question number 1. There is a certain relationship between the pair of terms on the either side of double colon. Identify the relationship in the left pair and find the missing term. So we have to find the relationship between VHP and WGQ. So if we add V plus 1 we get W. If we subtract 1 from the H we get G, and if we add 1 in the P we will get Q. So M plus 1 will be N, S minus 1 will be R, and K plus 1 will be L. So the missing term will be N or L, which is option C. Question number 2. A man starts walking towards east. After walking some distance, he turns right and then walks some more distance. He finally turns right again and walks some more distance. Which direction is he facing now? So let's start. A man starts walking towards east direction. So he is going in this direction. Now after walking some distance, he turns right. So from east he turns a right. So he will be facing the south direction. Now and walk some more distance. He finally turns right again. So from south he again turns the right. So he is now facing the west direction. So our answer is option A, west. Question number 3. Which of the following is the net of a cube? So we know that a cube is having 6 faces. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this cannot be our answer. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a valid option. Let's see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only B can be the net of a cube. So our answer is option B. Question number 4. If the given clock is 10 minutes slow, then the correct time after 30 minutes will be. So what's the time given at the clock is 8:20, and after 30 minutes it will be 8:50. But the clock is 10 minutes slow, so we need to add 10 more minutes. So it will be 9 o'clock. And option C is showing 9 o'clock. So our answer is option C. Question number 5. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. So 65 plus 35 is 100. 100 plus 30, 130. 130 plus 25, 155. 155 plus 20, 175. Now we have to add 15. So 175 plus 15 equals to 190, and 190 plus 10 equals to 200. So every time we add 5 decreasing. So plus 35 plus 30 plus 25 plus 20. So here at 175 we need to add plus 15. So we get 190. So the missing number is 190, which is option A. Question number 6. Which of the following words can be formed from the letters of the given word? So if you see code, all the alphabets are there in the word calculator. So our answer is B. Question number 7. Which of the following figures is not exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? Let's see option A. So it is here. Let's see option B. So if we draw like this, here it is embedded. Let's see option C. So if we go here, we can find this one. Option D is not there. So our answer is option D. It is not embedded in this figure. Question number 8. In a class, Gopi ranks 7th from the top and 15th from the bottom. How many students are there in the class? So basically 7 and 15th is the same. So we add 7 plus 15 and subtract 1. So 7 plus 15 minus 1 equals to 21 students. If you are confused, you can figure it out like this way: 1 to 7, then 15 to first, and 7 and 15th are the same person. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and then count from the 8 for the 14th onwards. So you will end on 21. So correct answer is 21, which is option D. Question number 9. Select the correct mirror image of the given word final. So if we see F, it will be in opposite like this. I will remain the same, N will become like this, A will remain the same, and L will be opposite. So correct mirror image will be option C. So our answer is option C. Question number 10. In a certain code language, home is coded as @ plus $6 and mind is coded as 6#7 division. How will mode will be coded in the same code language? So let's write down HOMEIND code here because M is same. And now we have to choose mode. M is represented as 6, O is as plus, D as division, and E is dollar. So our answer is option A. Now we are in mathematical reasoning section. Question number 11. How many lines of symmetry are there in the given figure? So if you see vertical line, there is no symmetry. If you see horizontal line, there is no symmetry. If you see any diagonal line, there is no symmetry. Even this diagonal line, no symmetry. So there is no line of symmetry. So our answer is 0, which is option C. Question number 12. Weight of an apple is dash gram. So here we can see ball, as here we can see ball and apple. So 9 balls equals to 18 gram. So 1 ball will be equals to 2 gram. Now let's see here, 3 balls plus 1 apple equals to 28 gram. So apple will be 28 gram minus 3 balls, and each ball is 2 gram. So 3 into 2 6 gram. So 28 minus 6 equals to 22 gram. So the weight of the apple is 22 gram, which is option B. Question number 30. If m is the fifth multiple of 10 and n is the fourth multiple of 5, then find the HCF of m and n. So m is the fifth multiple of 10, so it is 50. N is the fourth multiple of 5, so it is 20. Now the HCF of 50 and 20 is 10. So our answer is option B, 10. Direction for question number 14 and 15. The given pictograph shows the number of pastries made by Anand in 5 weeks. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So here one pastry stands for 50. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 times 50 equals to 600. Here 10 times 50, 500. Here 8 times 50, 400. Here 7 times 50, 300. And here 9 times 50, 450. Let's see question number 14. How many more pastry did he make in weeks 2 and week 5 together than in week 1? So week 2 is 500 and week 5 is 450. So total is 950. And then we have to subtract the week 1, which is 600. So 500 plus 450 minus 600 equals to 350. So our answer is option A. Now let's see question 15. If 5 pastries were packed in a box, then how many boxes will be needed to pack all the pastries? So first let's count the total of number of pastries, which is 600 plus 500 plus 400 plus 350 plus 450. So total is 2300. Now 5 pastry can be packed in a box, so number of box required is 2300 divided by 5, which is equals to 460. So our answer is option D. Question number 60. The Roman numerals for the greatest 3-digit number is. So greatest 3-digit number is 999, or we can write it in the decomposed form as 900 plus 90 plus 9. So for 900 we have CM, 1000 minus 100, 900. 90 we have XC, and for 9 we have IX. So our code is CMXCIX, which is option C. Question number 70. Which of the following figure has the same fraction of unshaded part as the fraction of shaded part of the figure X? So fraction of the shaded part of figure X is 1, 2, 3, 4 and total is 8, 4 by 8. Now we have to calculate the fraction of unshaded part in this figures ABCD. So now fraction of unshaded part in A is 1, 2, 3 and total is 5, 3 by 5. Here fraction of unshaded part is 1 by 3. Here it is 4 by 8. So it exactly the same of the fraction of shaded part in figure X. So our answer is option C. And for D we have 3 by 4. Question number 18. Find the estimated sum of the smallest and greatest 4-digit number that can be formed from the digits 7253 using each digit only once when each number rounded off to the nearest 100 place. So let's first find out the smallest 4-digit number using 7253. It will be 2357. Now let's find the greatest number using this 4-digit. It will be 7532. Now let's round it off the smallest number to the nearest 100. So this is 2357. So it is more than 50, so it will be 2400. Now let's round it off the greatest number 7532. So it is less than 50, 32 is less than 50, so it will be 7500. So 2400 plus 7500 is 9900. So our answer is option A, 9900. Question number 19. Which of the following is an open figure? So this figure is closed. This figure is also closed. This figure is open. This figure is closed. So open figure is option C. So our answer is option C. Question number 20. The given clock shows the time at which a train started its journey in the evening. After covering 25 minutes of journey, it stopped for 15 minutes at the next station. Now if it takes another 45 minutes to reach its destination, then at what time will it reach the destination? So train started at 7:15 and for the time at which it reached the destination will be 7:15 plus 25 plus 15 plus 45 minutes. So 7:15 plus 25 plus 15 plus 45 minutes, so total is 85 minutes, which we can write down as 1 hour 25 minutes. So 1 hour added to 7 is 8 and 15 minutes plus 25 minutes is 40. So time will be 8:40 p.m. So our answer is option D. Now we are in everyday mathematics section. Question number 21. A group of 16 friends went for a trip. On a particular day, 3 of them went for rock climbing, 5 of them went for river rafting, and rest of the friends went for paragliding. What fraction of the friends went for paragliding? So friends went for paragliding equals to 16 minus 3 minus 5. So 8. And total number of friends were 16. So fraction of the friends went for paragliding is 8 divided by 16, which we can write as 1 by 2. So our answer is option B, 1 by 2. Question number 22. Jyoti reads 541 pages during her summer reading program. In order to reach her goal of 650 pages, how many more pages does she need to read? So she wants to read 650 and she has already read 541. So she needs to read 650 minus 541, which is 109 pages. So our answer is option B, 109. Question number 23. An athlete runs around a rectangular field of length 95 meter and breadth of 85 meter. How much total distance will he cover in 5 rounds of the field? So first we need to calculate the perimeter of the rectangular field, which is 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times length plus breadth equals to 2 times 180 equals to 360 meters. So this is the perimeter of the field. Athlete covered the 5 round of the field. So total distance covered by the athlete is 5 times 360 meter, which is 1800 meter. So our answer is option D. Question number 24. Preeti drank 350 milliliter of lychee juice on Monday, 275 milliliter of lychee juice on Tuesday, and 525 milliliter of lychee juice on Wednesday. If she had 2500 milliliter of lychee juice initially, then what quantity of juice is left with her? So initially she has 2500 milliliter. So she drank this much. So we need to subtract this 3. So minus 350 minus 275 minus 525. So 2500 minus 1150 ml equals to 1350 ml. So juice left with her is 1350 ml, which is option C. Question number 26. A pen manufacturing company made 42,656 pens in the month of December. If equal number of pens were made every day, then how many pens were made on each day? So number of days in the month of December is 31 and total pen made is 42,656. So in one day the number of pen made is 42,656 divided by 31. So which comes out to be 1376, which is option C. Question number 27. Sakshi bought a large pizza having 16 equal slices. Sakshi and her two friends ate 3 slices each. If she gave 4 slices to her brother, then what fraction of the pizza is left with her? So total slices is 16. Now Sakshi and her two friends ate 3 slices each. So they are total 3 people and each ate 3 slices. So total number of slices they ate is 9 slices. Now she gave 4 slices to her brother. So 4. Now the remaining slice left is 16 minus 9 plus 4, which is equals to 3. And total number of slices is 16. So fraction of the pizza left is 3 by 16, which is option C. Question number 28. Mohit bought a cloth of length 15 meter. If we divided the cloth into 25 equal pieces, then find the length of each piece of cloth. So 15 meter we can convert it into the centimeter. So 15 into 100, 1500 centimeters. Now he divided into 25 equal parts. So 1500 centimeter divided by 25 equals to 60 centimeter. So length of each piece of cloth is 60 centimeter, which is option B. Question number 29. There are 2759 coconut trees in an orchard. Which of the following numerals shows the number of coconut trees in the orchard? So 2759, which is option C. Question number 30. Shreya bought 86 kg 470 gram sugar and Puneet bought 79 kg 825 gram sugar. Who bought less sugar and by how much? So Puneet bought less because he purchased 79 point something and Shreya bought 68. So now let's subtract 79 kg 825 gram from 86 kg 475 gram. We convert everything into gram. So 86,475 gram minus 79,825 gram equals to 6,650 gram, which we can write at 6 kg 650 gram. So Puneet bought less sugar and by 6 kg 650 gram. So our answer is option B. Now we are in Achievers section. Question number 31. Match the following and select the correct option. Column 1. P. If x plus 11 by 20 equals to 19 by 20, then x equals to 19 by 20 minus 11 by 20, which is 8 by 20. So P is 3. Now if 7 by 11 equals to x by 121, then find x by 9. So first let's find out the value of x, which is 121 times 7 divided by 11. So 11 times 11 is equals to 121, so it will be 77. The value of x is 77. We have to find 77 divided by 9, which is 8 5 by 9. So Q is I. Now let's see the difference between 5 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 9 is. So 5 1 by 3 is 5 3 15, 16 by 3 minus 9 4 36, 37 by 9. So if we subtract it, take the denominator as 9. So it will be 48 minus 37, which is 11 by 9, or we can write as 1 2 by 9. So R is equal to 2. So P is 3, Q is I, and R equals to 2, which is option B. Question number 32. Read the given statement carefully and state T for true and F for false. 1. The value of DCCCXIX is 819. So value of D is 500, C is 100. So 3 times C equals to 300 plus X is 10 and IX is 9. So 500 plus 300 plus 10 plus 9 is 819, which is true. The number of 79,523 when rounded off to the nearest thousand place become 80,000. So we have to find the nearest thousand. So it is 9,523 and it is more than 500, so it will become 10,000. So total will be 80,000. So 79,000 and then it will become 80,000. So this statement is also true. Now let's see third. In the set of numbers 4583, 7592 and 3186, if the digits at the thousand place and ones place are interchanged, then the ascending order of the new number formed is this one. So let's first interchange the digit. So we get this number as 3584, this number as 2597, and this number as 6183. Now put it into the ascending order, we get 2597, 3584, 6183, which is not this one. So this statement is false. So we get true, true and false. So our answer is option A. Question number 33. Observe the given figure carefully and select the incorrect option. So A. The perimeter of the shaded part of figure P is 90 centimeter. So let's count the total number of lines and then we can multiply by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So 30 lines we have and each is 3 centimeters. So 30 times 3, 90 centimeter. So this statement is correct. Now statement B. The perimeter of the shaded part of figure Q is 112 centimeter. So same thing we will do. We count the number of lines, then multiply by 4. So let's count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. So total is 32 lines multiplied by 4 equals to 128 centimeter, which is incorrect because it's given 112. Now let's see option C. The number of lines of symmetry in figure Q is 1. So figure Q, vertical line, no, horizontal line, no symmetry, diagonal line, no symmetry. So there is no symmetry lines in this figure. So this statement is also incorrect. So select the incorrect option. So both B and C are incorrect. So our answer is option D. Question number 34. 3 groups of people went for dinner in a restaurant. The bill of their dinner are as shown below. how much more money was spent by group M and O together than by group N? So money spent by the group M is total of this, which is 1505. N is total of this, which is 1560, and O is this, so which is rupees 1350. So now we have to add the money spent by M and O and subtract the money spent by N. So M is 1505, O is 1350. So we add it and subtract the N, which is 1560. So we get rupees 1295, which is option C. Question number 35. The given bar graph shows the number of different flavors of cakes baked in a bakery in a particular month. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. 1. Which two flavors of cake baked were 3 times the mango cakes baked? So mango cake is 30, 3 times of mango cake is 90. So now we need to add two flavors which adds up to 90. So if you see, vanilla is 40 and 50 is strawberry. So vanilla plus strawberry will be 90. Now let's see the second question. If the shopkeeper gave a toy of rupees 15 as gift with every cake sold, then how much total amount did he spend on gifts by selling all chocolates and butterscotch flavored cake? So how many chocolate cakes are there? Is 55. How many butterscotch cakes are there? So it is 45. So 45 plus 55, total are 100 cakes, and he is giving rupees 15 as a gift. So total amount spent will be 100 times rupees 15, which is rupees 1500. So we have vanilla and strawberry first answer, and second answer is 1500, which is option C.
Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.